Hey there, Sandy here. I'm excited to let you know that I have just launched a new special offer on Patreon. Patreon is the reason why I am able to keep making YouTube videos that are free for everyone. So I've decided that everyone who pledges $5 or more will receive a signed, personalized dragon bookmark featuring one of my dragon sculptures. Patrons are voting right now on which dragon will be on the bookmark, so head on over there to make your choice, but be quick. Voting closes tomorrow, January 12th. Here's how it works. Go to patreon.com/sandysowen by January 25th and pledge $5 or more to get a bookmark. Be sure to put in your address so I can mail it to you. If you are currently a patron pledging $5 or more, you will also receive a bookmark, or increase your pledge to $5 or more to take advantage of this offer. Those who are currently patrons will receive an additional bookmark for every $5 increase in your current pledge. I will mail bookmarks anywhere in the world they will let me. You will find links with more information in the description box below.